£990. I know what it is. What is good, people? It is your boy Ari Petru, and today we are back for another episode of Catch a Vibe season. Right now we are on the way to Selfridges, and I am doing something I never really thought I would do. I am gonna get my ears pierced. I'm not getting my ears pierced in Selfridges. I'm gonna get the earring that I want from Selfridges. Then we're gonna go to Soho, get my ears pierced. We've got the Chrome Hearts hat, Louis Vuitton Millionaires, this Gucci logo hoodie, Gucci snake jeans, which I've literally not worn, BB salmon belt, the Supreme Air Forces. My ding ding dong. The earring drip is from Chrome Hearts, so let's go. I think it is too big.
Too big, too big.
Low key. I think I'm gonna get the small one.
Yeah.
I need to get my ears pierced. Okay, so we just dropped $270 on a Chrome Hearts earring, but my ear's not pierced yet, so we need to go to Soho and get them pierced, so let's go. How's that?
Is it?
There you go.
How you feeling?
Like, my stomach's gone. I still had a pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s, but DS. I sold my used pair, so I thought, why not just come back, and I've got a fresh DS pair here, so I'm gonna take these home. Sakai Blazers. I spent a bit too much money recently, so I'm just gonna StockX cash out them. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna go home because we have some special packages that we need to open for you guys, so I will see you at home. As I said, this is a pretty hefty package. Yeah! Oh my god. So guys, we are now back at home, and as I said, we have a huge package to unbox for you guys. Now, first of all, I just want to say I hope you guys are self-isolating. I hope you guys are staying safe. Hand sanitizer, washing your hands non-stop. Like, this pandemic that they're calling it is just something like the planet literally has never seen before. And honestly, it's kind of hitting me at the moment. Like, it is getting beyond belief. This coronavirus, or if you want to be posh, COVID-19, is really getting out of hand. So I just want to say to all of my viewers, all of my subscribers, please stay safe. And yeah, let's carry on with this video. So right here, we have two £500 mystery boxes from Heat. Now these Heat mystery boxes are dropping online tonight, so if you want to go ahead and get yourself one, then the link will be down below, but they have sent me two to show you guys, so let's go and open up these Heat boxes. Before we get into this, guys, please smash that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. Smash a like on the video as well. The more likes on this video, the better items hopefully we can get in our £500 mystery boxes. But nevertheless, no more rambling. Let's open up this package and let's get to those £500 mystery boxes. Supreme box cutter. 1, 2, 3, and boom. And we're in. So here is box number 1. Let's put this down. Here is box number 2. Before we actually open this box, I just want to explain a little bit on how Heat works and how they actually manage to give you big expensive items in these cheap boxes. So I think this box right here is £500. I should be getting double or triple in the retail value of how much this box is worth. So for example, this box is £500. I should be at least getting £1,000 to £1,500 in retail price in the stock that is actually in this box. Now, the way that this is possible is lots of retailers, lots of suppliers, any ones you think about, Mr. Porter, Matches Fashion, Selfridges, Harvey Nichols, all around the world. At the end of the season, these suppliers have leftover stock in every single brand you could imagine, and that is where Heat take full advantage and get that stock from these suppliers and put it into this Heat box right here for us hype beasts to go ahead and and open and see what we get. So, just so you know, everything I will be unboxing here is 100% authentic. We do not deal with any fugazi, any foo-foo on this channel. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this £500 mystery box. Online as well, they have different types of mystery boxes. I think they're dropping 4 mystery boxes tonight, but all different prices depending on how much you want to spend on your heat box. Mine is £500. Enough rambling. Let's bloody open this heat box. So here we go. I'm gonna open it this way so you guys can see it. Let's open up the first heat box worth at least £500. I still can't see it. Now the first thing I have, ooh, okay, I wasn't expecting something like this. This right here, we have a Prada like side bag. It's a bit of a weird color, I will say that. I probably wouldn't buy this myself, but by the way, I'm gonna have the retail prices of all the items from every single box on the screen, and at the end we will have a grand total of the retail price of all the items that we received today. Regardless, we have a Prada side pouch, and I am sure I can utilize this in some way or another, and we carry on. Now the next item, oh, okay, here we go. We have an off-white belt, but in white. Now, I actually don't have an off-white belt in white. That's actually pretty sick. I only still have the original yellow one. Yo, in white, this is sick. Fire. White off-white belt, you cannot complain. Now, the next item we have, let's rummage around. We have a few items. Okay, let's go for the one in the packet. Let's see what we have here. What do we have here? Prada again. Yo, I really don't wear Prada at all, to be honest. But right here we have some like Prada track pants or like joggers. They're like more like joggers, but they've got that original Prada logo on the back. You know what? I am actually gonna rock these. These will be pretty cool if I want to go to a dinner or something a bit more smart, but I'm sure these are probably really, really expensive. Regardless, the price of these joggers will be on the screen. Okay, how many items do we have left? 3 money in your heat box. Okay, it's a fake heat dollar bill. Moving on, we have another item right here. Is this another off-white t-shirt? So it says white at the back in all these like 3D blocks. And on the front, what does it say? Rationalism. Okay, next item, we have another t-shirt. Where's this t-shirt from? This is a Vetements t-shirt. So, this one is fire. This one is really fire. Vetements number 3, kind of like a football jersey, like a football theme type of thing. So that's another actually pretty cool item that I'm probably gonna wear. And then is this the last item? I think I know what these are, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this is the last item. There is no way. Yo, this is the best item out of this box. 100%. We have some Amiri jeans in our heat box. That is crazy. Now you guys know I love Amiri jeans. I have about 3 or 4 pairs. My Amiri denim can go for like up to £1,500 depending on how much work has been done to the pair. Oh, does it say the retail on there? It should do. Yo, £990 or 990 euros, sorry. That's like £900. So, wait. What? Yo, we killed our box. We have £900 here. Vetements t-shirt is like at least £150. Off-white t-shirts at least £150. Prada joggers, Prada Frankenstein like side pouch, and off-white belt. So the total of this box is, I have no idea, but it is currently on the screen right now. But yeah, that is crazy. The first box was a banger. Even if we got like 2 or 3 of those items in the box, we would have made our £500 on that box. So I cannot complain about that one whatsoever. Here we go again for box 2. Guys, I didn't realize this when recording, but the box I'm about to open is actually Heat's £290 sneaker box. In the video, I initially thought it was the same box as I just opened, but it's not. Anyways, back to the video. Here we go again for box 2. We open it up. What can you guys see? It's another box. The hell? Do I have to open it? Why is there a box in the box? I know what it is. One pair of shoes? They must be expensive then. Come on. It's a pair of Balenciaga Balenciaga shoes. Hopefully they're not the sock runners because I'm so over the sock runners at this point. When you buy a heat box, by the way, you do put in all your sizes and stuff. They don't just send you completely random stuff that isn't gonna fit you. You do put all your sizes in, your shoe size, your waist size, your top size, everything like that. Anyways, we have some Balenciaga shoes. I wonder what shoes they're gonna be. No way. Okay, now I sound like a complete spoiled brat, but I don't like this shoe. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like it. I just don't. It's Balenciaga's fault, let's be real. Some people like these shoes in the white and the black, they're actually really nice, but in this color, I'm not a fan. I think retail is close to £700, so we didn't lose money on this box. We didn't lose money on this box, and I can probably go ahead and sell these for more than what I paid for the box, but I just know I'm not personally gonna wear this shoe, which is kind of sad, so I don't really want to sell them and just get a few £100 out of them. What I want to do is give them away to one of you guys. So there is a giveaway for these shoes right now, and I will announce them in 2 episodes time. If you want to win these Balenciaga trainers, what you have to do is you have to subscribe right now to this YouTube channel. You have to go and follow me on Instagram. It is at A Vibe SZN. Then you have to comment down below why you want these sneakers and leave your Instagram handle. So if you do win, I can easily just DM you on Instagram and say, yo, you have won these Balenciaga trainers. Hopefully one of you guys will enjoy these way more than I will. And I just have to let you guys know that these are mystery boxes. You don't know what you're gonna get. So please, if you buy one and you don't get what you want or don't get what you think you're gonna get, then, you know, you kind of know what you're getting yourself into. Anyways, guys, that is what we got in our 2 heat boxes. Go and check out their website. They have a few different priced boxes that are dropping tonight. So if you are feeling lucky, if you are bored at home in isolation, maybe go and cop yourself a heat box. But guys, the total of everything that I got out of my heat boxes is on the screen right now. I think we actually did pretty bloody good. That is all from me today, guys. I hope you did enjoy Catch A Vibe Season episode 11. Please subscribe if you are not already subscribed to the channel. Smash the like on this video. It really does help out the video. Lastly, as I said, please stay safe during this crazy time in the world. It has been your boy, A Vibe SZN. That is all I have to say. Hopefully you did enjoy the video and have a good rest of the week. Peace out.